Hi everyone, let's do the formulae of painted cubes. Starting with the basic structure of a cube, we have faces, edges and corners. Now, how do we distinguish between these? So faces are the squares. Please note the parts highlighted in red. Then we have edges, which are the segments, like so. Lastly, we have the corners, which are the points. Here is the diagram. Now, there are 6, 12 and 8 faces, edges, corners in every cube respectively. The code I remember is FEC 6128. FEC 6128. Now, let's do the cutting of a cube. If every edge is cut into n equal parts, there will be n cube smaller cubes. What do we mean by this? Let's understand through a diagram. Now this cube has 12 edges as we know. Let's just consider this particular edge. Now it is cut into 3 equal parts. So n equals to 3. Therefore, the number of smaller cubes would be n cube, that is 27. Also, there is one point where everyone makes mistakes, that is the number of cuts. This is not the same as the equal parts along each edge. Now the equal parts, that is n, is 3, but the cuts made to achieve this is n minus 1, that is 2. Now we are merging the concept of painting along with cutting. This is a very simple table that we have. As you see, the contents right now are repeated. We read this as smaller cubes with dash faces painted equals to something n minus 2. Now let's fill up this table. For the first blank row we have 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now we have the same thing in reverse order and in the form of indices. Check out the last column from the last row. 0, 1, 2, 3. Easy. Now we'll just add the 6, 12, 8 that we just memorized, but from the second row. 6, 12, 8. Now we will just give the finishing touches by using the laws of indices. So as we know, anything raised to 1 is the same thing. N minus 2 the whole raised to 1 would be n minus 2. We also know that anything raised to 0 equals to 1. So n minus 2 the whole raised to 0 would be 1. And 8 into 1 is nothing but 8. That's all. Thank you.